What's going on, people? Thanks for tuning in for another beer review. It's Beer Monster O'Clock. And got another craft beer to review for you today. And it's one by which, in my opinion, they are the best brewery in the supermarkets. But of course, that's just my opinion. And the reason why, because they're so bloody consistently good. Don't think I've had a bad one from them. And that's by the Salt Brewery. But I've also done a collaboration on this one, so it's not just Salt Brewery, it's also by the Drop Project Brewing Company. So they've done a collab and they've called it Glide. As you can see, quite a funky looking can there. It's a Neipa, which stands for New England IPA, it says there, which tends to be more fruity and less bitter. 7% ABV, so a great big set of nuts on it. Hopefully it's a nice beer. New England IPAs are not my favourite, get a bit bored of them with sort of juice bombs, but every now and again I do like them, and particularly the ones by the Salt Brewery, because for me, I rate them the best. I've tried some polyed supermarket ones, I've tried obviously your Brew Dogs, your Northern Monks, all that sort of stuff, and I just think these guys are the best in the supermarkets. But that's just me. Also, I like the fact they don't add no shit to their beers, like no purees or syrups or nothing like that. They all seem legit high quality for the supermarket. This cost me £3.25 in Morrison's online, and it was part of 4 for 3 deal as well. That's not too bad. 440ml can. Chuck it in the glass and see what she looks like. Let me know whether you've tried this one, guys, and whether you enjoyed it or not. From the Salt Brewery. Let's give it a little twirl. There we go. Again, it looks your usual high quality salt beer, doesn't it? It looks absolutely lovely in the glass. One of the subscribers the other day, Steve, said these kind of beers look like Advocaat. They do actually a little bit with a head, don't they? They're so sort of thick and orangey looking. But yeah, it does look nice. I mean, you can see in the head there, it looks nice and creamy, and you can just tell it's going to have a nice smooth mouthfeel to it. Really tiny bubbles, look at in that head. It looks absolutely beautiful. Can't really see any carbonation because it's so hazy. It really is. It's like a goldeny orange haze looking colour to it. You can see little bits of sediment and yeast and that in the beer as well, which is always a good sign. Anyway, let's get the nose in there and check out the aromas of this salt beverage named Glide, and see what she sniffs like. They always smell lovely. Just lovely aromas, tropical, bursting with juiciness. Mangoes and pineapples and lemons and passion fruit. Just to name a few, there's just so many different tropical fruits in there. And what I also love about the salt beers is you tend to be able to name a lot of them instead of it just being like a blend, if you know what I mean. Grapefruit. There's all sorts going on there. It's just a hop explosion of fruity joy. But the main thing is, does it taste nice? I'm hoping so. So I say, I don't think I've had a bad one yet from Salt. I just think they're fantastic as far as, I'm not a massive supermarket craft beer. I'm not a massive craft beer fan in general. I only buy the ones from the supermarket, really. So I do rate these guys. Hopefully this won't be the first shitter that I have from them, and nothing will be decent. Anyway, let's shut my face and chuck it down a minute. You can tell I'm still ill. Anyway, cheers everybody. Bosh. Out of this world. Absolutely fantastic. Again, from Salt. Perfectly named beer as well. Glide. It just glides down the hatch. It don't give a shit that it's 7% ABV. It just glides down beautifully. It's absolutely lovely. It's hoppy. It's bursting with tropical fruits and citrus fruits and pine and It's well balanced. It's got a lovely, creamy, sort of velvety, smooth mouthfeel, decent body. It does exactly what it says on the tin. You know, it's a nice, hoppy, fruity New England IPA. And you have also got a slight bitterness there to just cut through some of that sweetness and balance out the beer perfectly for me. It's kind of leaves this sort of resinousy coating on your tongue, that bitterness. It's really nice. It builds, the bitterness kind of builds because it coats your tongue, and then when you go in again, it coats it again, you know, and it just keeps building up. I mean, it's 7%, can chase the alcohol. I wouldn't say as such you can taste it, but you're getting a bit of that warmth. Like, you can tell the balls are there. It's definitely got a pair of balls to it, but it doesn't make it any less smashable, put it that way. It just gives it a nice warming, and it brings out all the flavour and all the hops. It's absolutely lovely. It's just bursting with flavour. So easy drinking, dangerously so. It's one of them ones, again, with salt, you know, just so easy drinking, so nice tasting that you can easily get yourself in trouble. Because, just everything about it just makes you want to smash it, you know. Oh, I love this. It's got to be one of the best ones by them that I've tried, but I've tried so many good ones. I can't remember. It's one of the best ones I've tried by them. Probably not the best, but it's easy. That's a 9 out of 10 for me all day long. It's even saying on the can here, there's notes of kiwi fruit. Yeah, strawberry. I'm not really getting the strawberry. It says strawberry. Passion fruit. Getting that. Danky pine, yep, for sure. Resinous. Yeah, I mean, it does what it says on the tin for me. It says it's balanced. Apart from the strawberry, I'm not getting the strawberry. Let's now that I know, let's try it again. Can I get any strawberry in this? No, but I don't care. Who wants their beer to taste like bloody strawberries anyway? I can't taste the strawberry in it. Let me know if you tasted the strawberry in it, if you tried it, guys. But yeah, I cannot taste the strawberry. But what I can taste is bloody lovely. It's a 9 out of 10 all day long for me. 100% recommend it as worth a buy. Even for £3.25p. When it comes to the salt beers, for me, they are worth the money because you feel like you're drinking a nice beer and you feel like you're being treated, and I don't often spend this sort of much on beer, but when it comes to the salt ones, I think they're worth it. And if I'm going to sort of push the boat out a bit to drink something nice, that's my go-to craft beer, guys, in the supermarkets, I'm sure if you're very posh and got very heavy pockets, you probably get much better ones in all the posh bottle shops and all that. But we can't all afford to do that, can we? Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Smash the like button if you've made it this far. Consider subscribing to the channel, and there's a membership down below if you want to become a beer monster for 99 pennies. And until the next one, guys, bye bye, darlings.